Alright, to gain access to the speaker in the back of your AirTags, you have to first twist it counterclockwise, and that will relieve the metal casing. That's your battery. We'll just put that one side. Now the speaker is behind this casing right here, and in order to gain access to that, there are 3 points. I'm going to use a stencil knife just to show you exactly where to access these 3 points. Now one is located right this point here, the other right here, and the final one at the bottom there. So you have to apply some pressure in the corners of the casing, and it may have a little blemishes after you're doing this, but that's no problem. Once you open one of the clips, you can then direct your attention to the other two. You will hear a little click sound, so you know that you have released one. Do the same with the other, and then the final one, just rotate it to gain access to that one. Ease that up, you hear the clip, then you just remove the back, and then the speaker is right at the back right there. You can just take that off. That's held in with a little glue, so you just remove that, and that's how you remove your speakers from your AirTags. Just put it back together in the reverse order. Return your battery, then return the metal casing at the back, and you're done.